Welcome back to another episode of Drug Talk, everybody. In today's video, we're going to go over the top 3 most frequently asked questions about Ozempic. So let's jump right into it. Question number 1, how does Ozempic work? So Ozempic is a GLP-1 agonist. The generic name for this medication is Semaglutide. It mimics the hormone GLP-1 and does 4 main things. The first mechanism is that it slows stomach emptying, making you feel full longer. The second is that it reduces appetite by working on brain centers that actually control hunger. It stimulates insulin release when blood sugar is high. And it also can reduce glucagon, which is a hormone that raises blood sugar. So these 4 things combined lead to better results for people with type 2 diabetes, and it also results in weight loss. Clinical trials show that people who use this medication for weight loss seem to achieve a rate of about 15% of their body weight. Before we move on to question number 2, I wanted to let you know that there's a link in the description of this video that I really recommend you checking out if you're thinking about starting your weight loss journey. There, you'll find subscription savings of $40 to Mochi Health, who is a friend of Drug Talk. Mochi Health offers a wide variety of weight loss plans, including medication-based weight loss plans, collaborations with board-certified physicians and registered dietitians, and they can really team up with you to help guide you along your weight loss journey. On average, clients who subscribe to the Mochi Health medication-based weight loss plans lose about 15% of their body weight. Alright, now let's jump back into the most frequently asked questions about Ozempic. Question number 2, can Ozempic be used for weight loss, and is it safe for this purpose? Ozempic itself is actually FDA approved for type 2 diabetes. The exact drug in higher doses is sold as Wegovy and is FDA approved for chronic weight management. Typically, it would be prescribed to clients who have a BMI over 30 or BMI over 27 if they have weight-related chronic conditions. Having said this though, many physicians do actually prescribe Ozempic for weight management, especially when there's shortages of Wegovy. Safety profiles for Ozempic and Wegovy seem to be the same, but long-term data is limited at about 2 to 3 years. The key to whether you're using Ozempic or Wegovy is that if you choose to stop the medication, you really have to keep up the lifestyle changes to maintain the weight loss. And number 3, what happens if I stop taking Ozempic? So the first thing people notice is that appetite and hunger seem to return in a time frame of about 2 to 8 weeks. Some people can regain about 2/3 of the weight that they lost, again, if they don't maintain the exercise and dietary changes that they did when they started the medication. So again, like I said, the key here is that you want to establish these lifestyle changes and maintain them whether you're taking the medication or not. Blood sugar seems to worsen in patients with type 2 diabetes after stopping Ozempic, and the drug would be completely out of the system in about 5 to 7 weeks. So that would be 5 half-lives of the medication Ozempic. Alright everybody, and that's it for the top 3 most frequently asked questions about Ozempic. Just a reminder, click that link in the description of this video to check out my friends Mochi Health. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.